Duty of second polling officer. Duties of second polling officer. The second polling officer will be in charge of indelible ink. After the elector has been identified by the first polling officer, the second polling officer will inspect the elector's left hand index finger to see that it does not bear any sign or trace of indelible ink and then put a mark with the indelible ink on the voter's left hand index finger. The indelible ink will be applied on voter's left hand index finger as a line with the help of brush to be supplied from the top end of the nail to the bottom of the first joint of the left index finger as shown in the diagram. The second polling officer will also be in charge of the register of voters in Form 17A. He will be responsible for maintaining in that register the proper account of electors whose identity has been established and who vote at the polling station. The serial number and note the name of the elector as given in the marked copy of the elector roll should be noted in column 2 of the register of voters form 17A. He will be obtain the signature or thumb impression. The second polling officer will also issue a voter slip to each elector after he has entered his elector's particulars in the register of voters in accordance with the procedure described in chapter 4. It should be ensured that sufficient time has elapsed after the indelible ink mark was put so that the mark dries up by the time the elector leaves the polling station. For this purpose, only after the mark of indelible ink is applied, the signature or thumb impression may be obtained in the register of voters. Voter slip. If an elector refuses to put his signature or thumb impression on the register of voters, he shall not be permitted to vote, and any entry refused to vote will be made in the remarks column of the register. The presiding officer will have to sign below such entry. However, if an elector after his elector roll number has been duly entered in column 2 of the register of voters in Form 17A and has put his signature or thumb impression thereon as required under sub rule 1 of Rule 49L decides not to record his vote. A remark to this effect, refused to vote or left without voting, shall be made against the said entry in Form 17A by you, and the signature or thumb impression of the elector shall be obtained against such remark. In such case, it shall not be necessary to make any change in the serial number of the elector or of any succeeding elector in column 1 of the register of voters, Form 17A.